Here, in the world of tsla stock, people make their fortunes and the direction of transportation is being changed. The stock market is the arena where all the action takes place today, and Tesla is the star of the show with its innovative ideas and groundbreaking electric vehicles. We are discussing more than simply stocks here. We are discussing the future. Robots dance to the beat of expertly built machines that have transformed transportation, and Tesla stands tall as a beacon of invention. This week, however, it is at the heart of a financial whirlwind. What is driving Tesla's meteoric ascent? Is it Elon Musk's brilliance or the unwavering search for sustainable energy, or maybe a combination of these and many other factors? What forces are at play? The stock market is a war zone this week, and tsla is a strong contender. Is it going to defy gravity again, or are storm clouds approaching? Come along as we examine the highs, lows, and thrilling moments that may influence Tesla's future course. This video is for Tesla lovers, investors, and inquisitive minds. However, before we continue, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let's start this video with some Tesla stock news. Consider that you are going to embark on a thrilling travel similar to a car journey to Disneyland. You've loaded up your car, put on your gas, and are prepared to go. But here's the catch. The adventure in this instance is the newly upgraded Tesla Model 3. It resembles the most luxurious ride in an amusement park, complete with all the bells and whistles. The only catch is that you can't ride this exhilarating ride right now in the US. It's only available in China and Europe. Recently, someone was so excited about the new Model 3 that they kept refreshing the page on Tesla's website, thinking it might be available there. But no, it's not. Why? Well, it turns out that Tesla chose to launch it in China first. It's like the grand premiere of a blockbuster movie only in China and Europe. The US population will have to wait a little while longer to board. Let's now discuss the other characters in this story about Tesla. As the stylish elder siblings in the Tesla lineup, the Model S and Model X have been around for a while and have always been a little more expensive. However, Tesla recently gave them a makeover, and they lowered their prices for a different reason than just making them look better. It's similar to receiving a surprise discount on an expensive toy, and this particular price reduction is significant. In the US, a $7,500 tax credit is currently available for these cars. It is comparable to discovering a hidden treasure trove of gold coins. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, wants to see more of these vehicles sold. He's telling everyone about it, not hiding it from them. Let's now change our focus and begin watching the video. It's similar to going to school, only we're learning about something equally important. Tesla's earnings. Instead of algebra or history, consider this cash as the lifeblood of Tesla. A robust heartbeat indicates the company's health, which is fantastic news if you buy Tesla because it appreciates in value. Lately, Tesla has been making more money, and the updated Model 3 is the main reason for this. Here's where the narrative thickens. This car has a slick new design that's drawing attention and making people want one. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, alluded to the possibility that they will have to cut the pricing even further during their most recent results conference. Why do you inquire? The reason for this is that fewer people than in the past are purchasing electric vehicles. It's similar to when you have a lemonade stand and people start to ask for less lemonade. Again, because they are more frugal with their money, they have less money to spend, which makes them reconsider purchasing an electric vehicle. Thus, this is where we are at this year. Tesla is changing the price of the Model S and Model X 7 times instead of simply once or twice. It's like riding a never-ending roller coaster where you never know when the next turn would occur. Let's try to sort this out. In order for the Model X to qualify for a special category in the US, akin to receiving a golden ticket, its price was lowered. The $7,500 tax credit is the golden ticket. As I previously stated, the catch is that despite its decrease in price, it remains more costly than the Model 3 and Model I. It's comparable to an upscale chocolate treat that costs more than an ice cream cone. The Model 3 is now the true star of this tale. It's not just any car. Rather, it's the star of the show. Tesla makes a lot of money with this vehicle. Finally, let's talk about Tesla's secret sauce producing more money over time. People were anticipating that the new Model 3 would be even more affordable, especially in China, where there is a lot of competition from other automakers. However, it seems like that part of the tale isn't going the way everyone wanted it to. Just like when you cultivate a money tree in your backyard, they have clever strategies for growing money, and guess what? Their secret weapon for producing even more. Money is the updated Model 3, which works like a magic spell that converts everything into gold. China is where the new Model 3 is making its debut, but before it does anywhere else, China is a battleground for electric cars, and Tesla wants to win there since BYD. Another major competitor is there. In the world of electric cars, there's a competition to be the best, and Tesla wants to be on top. The new car, which is being produced at Tesla's Shanghai facility, is priced 12 more in China than the previous base model, but it's not limited to that country. This vehicle is embarking on a global journey, stopping by at locations across Asia, Europe, and even the Middle East. With the release of the upgraded Model 3, Tesla has made its first major model lineup adjustment since the 2020 introduction of the Model Y, an enormous global hit. According to China's testing regulations, the updated Model 3 promised a staggering 606 km of driving range, which is almost 9 more than the base model it is replacing in China. In China, Tesla has already begun accepting orders, with delivery scheduled for the upcoming fourth quarter. They're also preparing to introduce this model in the US, and given its many benefits over competing models now on the market, it might spark a massive surge in demand for Tesla automobiles. What's new with the updated Model 3 then? Well, it looks sleeker and more sophisticated, almost if a Hollywood celebrity has had a makeover. There are new, stylish wheel designs, updated tail lights, slimmer headlamps, and a smoother front end overall. In addition, the current red multicoat has been replaced with a new hue called Ultra Red. The Model 3 now has a more upscale and futuristic appearance, which may draw in customers who enjoy cutting-edge and fashionable vehicles. Let's now discuss range. Something essential for electric vehicles, the updated Model 3's improved aerodynamics and battery efficiency allow it to have a longer range than the existing model. They're using a new tsla battery technology, which says it can go up to 700 km between charges. For anyone who are concerned about running out of batteries on lengthy trips, this is wonderful news. Through their collaboration with Contemporary RX Technology Company Limited, Tesla has unveiled a battery technology that is truly revolutionary. Consider a battery pack that might enable your Tesla to travel up to 700 kilometers on a single charge. It's revolutionary, particularly for people who have long struggled with the fear of running out of battery life on long trips. Well, with this new battery technology in place, Tesla is demonstrating its constant commitment to addressing range anxiety, one of the biggest issues surrounding electric vehicles. This improvement goes beyond simple technological success. For Tesla owners, the future is brighter, with opportunities for road trips, adventures, and confident commuting abound. You'll have greater freedom to travel the world with fewer stops and longer stretches without having to carefully arrange your itineraries around charging stations. This is a step toward a time when electric cars are not only more ecologically friendly, but also more adaptable to daily use. But this is where things really get interesting. This updated Model 3 from Tesla is jam-packed with new features and improvements that turn it from merely a car into a wise and secure traveling companion. The fully autonomous version 12 software, which is anticipated to be released later this year, is one of its most notable characteristics. With the Model 3, this software promises complete self-driving capabilities. It resembles taking a step into the driving of the future. We think that this updated Model 3 has the potential to revolutionize not only Tesla but the auto industry as a whole. In addition to offering notable upgrades over the competition and the existing model, it has the potential to draw in more buyers looking for an elegant, practical, opulent, and intelligent electric car. Additionally, this might increase Tesla's brand value and standing as a pioneer and innovator in the autonomous driving and electric car industries. Not to be overlooked, though, is the fact that a less expensive Tesla model is also in the works, which may have an even greater effect on demand for Tesla than this updated Model 3. It's like witnessing a business that's continually moving forward, setting new standards and leaving the competition in the dust. The demand for Tesla cars will continue to expand, which will be a big catalyst for growing profits in the future. There's some exciting news for Tesla enthusiasts coming very soon. According to Tesla stock analyst Look Venture, Tesla isn't just driving vehicles, it's driving the future. Although the Model 2 is not officially part of Tesla's future vehicle lineup, the electric vehicle manufacturer has made references to the likelihood that a more compact and reasonably priced model is in the works. There has been a lot of talk about this possible new member of Tesla's family, and many people think it fits with the company's goal of increasing the number of people who can afford electric automobiles. Even Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has hinted at a new, more affordable Tesla had to acknowledge in a tweet that a $225,000 new model would be available later in 2023. Due to this, many have conjectured that the new model may actually be the much-discussed Model 2 during Tesla's battery. Musk revealed intentions to create an alluring $25,000 fully autonomous electric automobile on this day in 2020. Even if there aren't many specifics yet regarding this future model, it's obvious that Tesla wants to lower the cost of electric vehicles. When it launches, this pricing point will considerably undercut the Model 3, making it Tesla's most reasonably priced product. Tesla, the entry-level vehicle's development, is apparently being spearheaded by China. There's even rumors in the Chinese media suggesting that development has already started, so there's some real progress going on behind the scenes. Though the Model 2 has not yet been formally declared or launched, speculations in 2022 suggested that it would be introduced later this year. However, no official confirmation has been made. Any good news about this project usually results in an increase in Tesla's stock price. While the Model 2 is still a mystery, investors and enthusiasts alike are interested to see how Tesla's lineup will change in the upcoming years. Many people are intrigued by the prospect of a Tesla EV that is more reasonably priced. It supports Tesla's objective of increasing the accessibility of electric vehicles and may have a big effect on the company's future profitability. The EV community is eagerly awaiting more updates, and promising advancements in this area typically have a beneficial impact on Tesla's stock price. That concludes it. As we've seen, Tesla is predicted to grow rapidly in the near future. How do you feel about the Model 2? What potential effects would the release of a less expensive Tesla model have on Tesla's future and the state of the electric car market overall? Give your thoughts. If you would like to get updates on Tesla's most recent advancements over time, please click the like and subscribe buttons below in the comments box. Stay tuned for further updates on Tesla stock news in our next videos.